forgot to mention, I am having someone coming over that is interested in blacksmithing, and they're in my IT college right now with me. That they're in my class. Well, I'm in another class, but we're in the same room, so basically the same class. But anyways, he was curious about it and wanted to know about it since he had a little bit of a background in metalworking, did a lot of welding and whatnot. So I was like, dude, if you want to, you can feel free to come on over, and you know, I'll just put you to work. I'll, you know, have you help me out, hold the piece while I whack it, you know, make you whack it, whatever. Sounds weird. Anyways, I'm gonna have him come over, and I just gotta get that drill press before he does come over. So that's gonna be fun. He does know I filmed these, right? I don't know if I told him that I filmed these. So if he's not okay with that, I'm just gonna have to make him either deal with it, or really I'll probably just film it in a way that doesn't show his face, because I still need to film it. This is my job. All right, anyways, I am at Harbor Freight, and it's time to go buy a drill press. I'm excited. Okay, what's up? This is my buddy I told you about. We got the forge going. I've had him hammer on some things already because I forgot to start filming, but I got the light set up, so we're gonna go ahead and film some stuff, and hopefully he learns something, or you know, he decides he hates it and he quits, so whatever. It's bent, so it's hard to keep it straight. That's what I want it to be, so. I don't think it is. It's getting a little bit longer. It just takes forever. I've been hammering on this thing for a few days. Alright, so this one, I need to thin it out. Oh no. What'd you do? No, it hit my, the slag. The slag jumped off and hit my hand. And it sat in my hand, so you normally do this. You don't hold it underneath. So. Flip like that. Yeah. Just a little too less of a grip. So you see it's already kind of getting that shape that I'm going for, so that's the bottom portion. Yeah. And then that's that one that'll be when I get it to this point, I'll cool off the bottom portion and then I'll hammer the top. And then that'll break. I don't do a lot of actual audio in here, so you don't have to worry about like talking or not talking or whatever. So you do it like this, right? Something like this. Yeah. Exactly. So what I'm noticing is I'm hitting the sides like this, right? And it's wanting to like bounce.
What?
So I'm hitting the sides like this.
And it wants to bounce away?
Yeah, it wants to, it's like wobbles.
Don't hit the sides.
Yeah, trying not to. But the more indent I make, the more side I get.
So, the best thing in the world, you don't have to go fast. You do not have to go fast. In fact, if you go fast, you're more likely to not hit where you want to hit. So don't go fast. Slow down.
Okay.
Hit as hard as you can on those ones. No, it's done. This is too cold. You gotta have it red enough. I mean, you can hit some of it, but one thing, when it starts getting red and it's thinner, it can't take as much abuse cold as it can while it's hot, because it's starting to get thinner. If you start hitting on stuff cold too much, it'll crack.
It'll get brittle.
Yeah, it'll brittle and crack. Now, granted, this isn't high carbon steel, so the odds of that happening are slim, but like, it's enough that you're gonna just basically waste your energy trying to hit something.
If it does mess up, you've essentially wasted your time.
Yeah, and you're wasting your energy mainly because it's not moving. So it's like, what's the point of hitting it if it ain't gonna move, you know?
Yeah. Should I start trying to round it a bit more instead of just hitting it in the center?
I would just flip it over and tap the edges, but like it's not anything you need to worry about right now. Yes, it's doing fine. We're just trying to get it spread out in the center.
Okay.
In fact, I may start using the actual peen side of this.
Okay.
I know, funny word.
Oh, is that actually what it's called? The peen?
It's a cross peen hammer. Cross peen. And this one is a ball peen.
So the back end is the peen.
This is,
Yeah.
this is technically the front.
Really?
These are made to be hit like this. This is like
Specifically those, or just all hammers?
No. These one is made. It's a cross peen. But technically, I don't know. You can't really say back or front because this is technically the front on it because you buy the ball peen for this portion of it.
Yeah.
This is just to add a little bit of extra weight. Also, if you need to, strike it. But you can also use it like a regular hammer. So there's not really a back and a front, but this would technically be the front.
Okay, I get it.
Just like with this is the reason you buy this. If you were just buying, you were only trying to get this, you wouldn't buy this. You buy a sledgehammer. Or
So what's the point of the back peen then?
this?
Yeah, what do you do with it?
To round stuff out, to move stuff. So this, it's just a very aggressive, it's a very aggressive point.
Okay.
So that's why I'm trying to make those, because they're thick. It will spread it out, but it'll be less aggressive. If you hit it too much, something with this that it matters, the finish matters. It doesn't right now, so we're gonna hit it with this anyways. But it'll leave dents and divots in it, and it'll be hard to finish that out if you don't have enough material. This one, it doesn't, so we're gonna eventually hit it with that. But for now, these are getting hot.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna cool them off.
It's a good thing the weather's not too hot either today.
So, all right, gonna try a different angle, guys. See if this actually does any good. What son of a bitch? right, so I've cooled down the tip, so let's see. It's starting to get cold. But as you can see, as it gets colder, you may notice I'm hitting it softer and softer. I don't just kind of wail on it like I was saying. Yeah, I get faster when it's cooler because I'm hitting it softer. But yeah, you definitely, when this is red hot, you can wallop on it, like you can just whack it. But when it starts cooling down, you start hitting it less and less. And you start, when it's starting to get cooler, I usually use that for like finishing time. Yeah. Because there's like jagged edges on this stuff. But if I use this smooth side of the hammer, dang, I beat it up. Anyways, because I've hit it straight on this before. Anyways, but I use this side of the hammer because if you use that, then you can round off those pointy, jagged edges. Yeah, well, not even the edges. No, you just use the flat face. You don't want to use the edges too much. In fact, I've rounded them down so that you don't have that edge as much. But you use that flat side on the edges of the things. So say this corner was too pointy and it's starting to cool down, I'll use that to tap that in there or whatever so that it's not pointy anymore. Okay. But that's what I would use. I think I got the edge. Good.
Yeah, for some reason it looked good, but the thing that came up the most was GIF Maker.
What?
The GIF Maker, J-I-F.
GoPro, stop recording.